One candle burns entirely in 6 hours, and another candle burns entirely in 9 hours. The candles were lit at the same time, and they were the same height when lit. After how many hours will one candle be half the height of the other? Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest 10.
Homework. Oh, here it is.
Excellent. Thank you. Well done. That was great, Ben. Thanks, Nick.
Excuse me. Here you go.
Wait, there's nothing on this paper.
What? I swear I did my homework.
There's nothing on that paper.
Hang on, let me write this.
Excuse me, if you do not turn in your homework,
I know.
you get a 0. It's
Let me write this out now. Hang on. I just wrote this.
There is nothing on that paper.
Gotta love invisible ink.
I did not find that funny.
I do not find that funny. Oh, fine, I'll just write on the board. So first you do this. Who did that? I suspect James Halpern. Okay, so one candle burns in 6 hours, one candle burns in 9 hours. So this candle burns 1/6 every hour. Candle burns 1/9 every hour. So in 2 hours, this would burn 4 hours, and this would burn 8 hours. So it would be 2 hours for this candle to be half the height of that candle. Fact, the answer is 2.
Actually, Dwayne, you did it wrong. Here's how you solve the problem. Okay. So if this candle burns in 6 hours, then that means that 1/6 of the candle burns every hour. And this candle, since it burns in 9 hours, that means that 1/9 of the candle burns every hour. So after X amount of hours, this candle will burn 1/6 times X. So for example, after 1 hour, 1/6 of the candle will be gone. For this one, after 1 hour, 1/9 of the candle will be gone. So, the problem asks us for the height of the candles, and this just tells us how much is gone. This doesn't tell us the height. So in order to find the height, we need to subtract these two from 1. So for example, after 1 hour, the height of this candle will be 5/6 of its original height. This will be 8/9 of its original height. So now we have to find the height at which this candle is half of the height of this candle. So we just set up an equation. 1 minus 1/6x equals 1/2 times 1 minus 1/9 x. Okay, now we want to get rid of the 1/2 here, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, so that gets rid of the 1/2. Then we distribute the 2 to both terms to get 2 minus 1/3 x equals 1 minus 1/9 x. Then we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation to get rid of this 1 right there, to get 1 minus 1/3 x equals negative 1/9 x. Now we want to isolate the x term so that we can solve. So we add 1/3 x to both sides, and then negative 1/9 plus 1/3 is 2/9, so we get 1 equals 2/9 x. Then in order to solve for x, we have to multiply by the reciprocal of its coefficient right here, and its coefficient here is 2/9, so the reciprocal is 9/2. Multiply both sides by 9/2. That goes away. This comes out to be 9/2. 1 times 9/2 is 9/2. But the problem asks for decimal form, so we just divide this out to get x equals 4.5 out.
Very good, Sam. Well done. You can sit down now.
Well, I'm still the assistant teacher, right?
Assistant to the teacher.
Okay, question. Can I give anyone detention?
No!